Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Before we have this full color glitter mug, and today I will bring you this special ingredient color glitter mug. This 11-ounce ingredient color glitter mug is made of high quality ceramics, and it features sparkling faceted finishing ingredient color, and we provide 6 different colors for you. And I think it's a perfect choice for a party or celebrate for some special moment, and when the light shone on it, it will shining like diamonds. It also can make a surprising personalized gift for your family or friends. It will be the highlight of your tabletop. Next, let's do this personalized gift together. Steps just seem like normal ceramic mug. Just set Arc machine to 180 centigrade, time for 15 seconds. After machine preheated, just put the cup in and wait for the warning ring again. Now it's done, let's have a see. Look, what a charming and stylish gift! Okay, that's all for today's introduction. If you want to know more detailed information about this ingredient color glitter mug, you can go our official website to have a see. And please don't forget to subscribe us. We will keep uploading for the introduction of our products. And next video, I'm gonna introduce for the ingredient color pink glass mug. Please look forward for it and see you next time.
Say we're done when I'm not finished. I could give some